Hi! Today we will learn what do we need to make a home. Let's build our home together, one piece at a time. Floor, the bottom surface of a room or structure that people walk on. Pillars, it helps a house stand strong and not fall down. Walls, it keeps us safe and warm inside the house. Walls are made of bricks, wood, or blocks. Roof, it keeps us safe from the sun and rain and goes on top of the walls. And then we have a chimney. It helps the smoke go out of the house. The front door, it is the first place people see when they come to visit. A door helps us go in and out and gives our home security. The doorstep or stoop is a little step we stand on before going inside. Put bricks around the home, make a boundary. Windows. Windows let in light and air from outside. A water tank. It stores water for drinking, washing, and cleaning. And then we have grass. It's soft and green and grows outside. We add some plants to make the home look nice and pretty. Outdoor tiles. It makes the ground look neat and easy to walk on. Trees give us shade, fresh air, and make our home look nice. We add an address board so people find us and a mailbox for letters. A lamp post gives light outside when it gets dark. A well gives us clean water from under the ground. It also helps us get water when there's no tap water. A fence goes around the house to keep it safe and private. A house next to ours is our neighbor's house. At the end, we have a road where cars and people use it to go places. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more fun videos.